Hey, welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you all are good. Today we are going to make a simple floral pattern, or you can say a painting. So, first of all, we are going to sketch. Make sure you have to use a very light pencil for the initial sketch, because we are going to do watercolors, and if we do a dark sketch it will be visible after coloring. So make sure to use a light pencil. You can use 2B as well. So here I am just sketching the flowers. You are not supposed to do the detailed sketch, as we are going to make it in watercolor, so we will make the changes accordingly. So just make the simple sketch. Like you can see, here I am just doing the simple line sketch. I am not going the detail one. So you can see the sketch is almost done. Now we are going to color this. So first of all, I'm just coloring outside the design, as I'm going to paint these flowers in yellow and white shade. So I'm doing like this. Give also effect of water, like somewhere you can use dark tone, like here it's light. When I put a little bit color here, it will give some smudgy effect as well. So similarly we will do the whole process. Color, and you can even mix with portion